Welcome to Session 21, Graphing Quadratic Functions. Today you will identify vertex, symmetry, intercepts, and opening direction, move between standard and vertex forms, and interpret a quadratic maximum or minimum in context. Watch the structure, not just the arithmetic, because each move must preserve the meaning of the problem. The visual gives us the central idea. The axis of symmetry passes through the vertex and lies halfway between paired points and paired roots. The sign of the leading coefficient determines whether the vertex is a minimum or maximum. These features can answer many graph questions without plotting every point. Use this first move. Read the sign of A to determine opening direction. Then, use x equal b slash 2a and substitute to locate the vertex from standard form. Worked example, analyze standard form. Find key features of y equals x squared 4x5. Step 1. Axis, x equals minus 4 slash 2 equals 2. Substituting gives vertex 2 minus 9. Step 2. Factor x5, x plus 1. So roots are 5 and minus 1. Step 3. The y-intercept is 0, minus 5, and the graph opens upward. The final answer is vertex 2, minus 9, roots minus 1, 5, y-intercept minus 5. Check that it satisfies the original conditions and carries the correct units. Now it is your turn. Find the vertex of y equals x squared plus 6x plus 5. Pause, write each algebra step, and use the next 6 seconds to finish your solution. Here is the modeled solution. The answer is minus 3, minus 4. First, find x equals minus b slash 2a, then substitute that x value. Verify it against the exact wording before moving on. Session 21 recap. Read the sign of A to determine opening direction. Next, use x equal b slash 2a and substitute to locate the vertex from standard form. Then, find the y-intercept from C and roots by factoring or solving. Finally, interpret the vertex and roots using the quantities and units in context. A complete solution shows the reasoning, checks the result, and states what the answer means.